Problem number 31. Before discussing problem number 31, you must have an idea of Human Genome Project and its applications. Now the question of problem number 31 is, does Human Genome Project has any implication in relation to racial attitudes? क्या different races में Human Genome Project की implications different हैं? So let's look at the Human Genome Project according to different races among human beings. Now keep in mind that race has been used as a human label that has different implications not in the field of health but also in research, and even in the society there is a way of discrimination among human beings according to the races. अगर हम हिस्ट्री पे गौर करें तो ह्यूमन बींग्स को क्लासिफाई किया गया है अकॉर्डिंग टू डिफरेंट रेसेस. जब भी हम रिसर्च की बात करते हैं वी कैन डिवाइड population into white population or into black population. So this is one of the example. In the same way we can define population according to ethnicity or according to caste and race. Now up till now we have not reached to any consensus regarding the definition of race, but keep in mind that utility of race is still considered as a concept because it has number of advantages in the biological field, in social sciences as well as in natural sciences. So it is playing important role in biological sciences, natural sciences and in social sciences. Now Human Genome Project was completed in 2003. जैसे ही Human Genome Project complete हुआ हमारे सामने पूरा Human Genome Map आ गया. इसके ज़रिए हमने डिफरेंट जेनेटिक डिजीज़ेस को ट्रीट करना सीखा और मेडिसिन में बहुत सारी एडवांसमेंट्स हुई. सो वी कैन शेप द फ्यूचर एंड प्रैक्टिस ऑफ मेडिसिन बाय द यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन जीनोम प्रोजेक्ट. Nowadays, most of the research is going on human genetic variation and its correlation with race and ethnicity. So this is the growing knowledge of today regarding human genome. Now, scientists as well as social scientists, they are providing us with racial information because this is the process by which social, economic and political forces they can determine that whether the content and importance of racial categories are there or not. We can divide them on the basis of medicine importance or the health importance giving to them, then about the social importance and even about the natural sciences categorization. Now qualitative studies have been performed in science and they have considered different or multiracial individuals. Means whenever we talk about the multiracial means that we can talk about more than two races of the human beings in one scientific research. Now this research explore the health, identity and care experiences among the human beings, and by this we can construct and analyze race and we can correlate them with human genetic variation or with human genetic mutations. For example, we can say that this mutation of a particular gene is common in Pakistani population or in Pakistani diabetic patients. So this is something confined to races. So self-identified racial or ethnic identity can correlate with the ancestral geographic origins. हम अपने आबाओ अजदाद के बारे में भी जान सकते हैं. इसके अलावा जिस geographic region से हम originate हुए हैं, we can even talk about that regarding the human genome variation. Human genome variation के ज़रिए हमें पता चला कि सबसे ज़्यादा genetic diversity African population में पाई जाती है. इसके अलावा अगर कुछ medicines African population के लिए useful हैं तो ज़रूरी नहीं कि वो अमेरिकन पॉपुलेशन के लिए भी useful हो. So one of the example is a mixture of isosorbide dinitrate and of hydrazoline that reduces heart failure among African people, among those black people who are suffering from high blood pressure. So from this, race-based therapeutics was developed as a new field of today.